Hello, sports fans. Thank you for watching my video here today, where I'm preparing to go to Quartzsite Saturday the 17th, where there's a YouTube creator meet and greet. And that's going to be from, I think, 4:30 to 6 p.m., just on the west side in the seminar tent, which is right on the west side of the big tent there, if you know anything about it. If you're going to be in the area, check it out. But now I'm preparing the Jeep because after the meet and greet that night, there is a 1 hour creator only period. And that means I'll be getting out there about 7 p.m. So I'm going to be staying in one of the BLM spots nearby for free for the night. So I'm setting up the Jeep to get it all nice and ready for a night in the desert. So I brought out two things. One, my 0-degree sleeping bag from my Army days. Thank you, U.S. military. And the second I'm looking at down here is my camping backpack. So I'm going to be going over and showing you all the things that I'm going to be possibly using and set up. I'm going to take my whole backpack, but I'm only going to set up a few things. So stay tuned and see what I have in my camping sleeping bag and what I'm going to set up in the Jeep. First thing I've already done before I show you anything is I've done a preliminary wipe down of the back of my Jeep. So join me. So welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. For over 4 years, I've been living full-time in my Class C RV, 99.9% of the time boondocking, along with my martial arts cat Ninja. So thanks for joining me. Here's the camping backpack. Let's take a look. Binoculars, flashlight. I'm going to check that. I don't think it works. Yeah, it does. Some string with hooks. I've got a hatchet here with a flint rock. I do also, and here's the striker for it. I have a water bottle. I have a multi-tool and a bracelet that has 550 cord on it. And I've got this old school USB charger. I don't know why. Certainly doesn't work in my iPhone. I also have another flashlight here. Still working. Yep. And I brought this out, a quick fill, 12-volt powered air compressor to fill up my air mattress because I can't remember if I have the one in here. So let's take a look, shall we? Oh, and a compass. And yes, those were 2 carabiners. 1, 2, and a third here for the water. This is my old Army backpack. In pretty good shape. Let's see what we got. I've got my Cladic Static V air mattress. Got an emergency radio with weather and a solar charger on here. Does also have a light. And not only can you charge it USB, you can charge like your phone off it. Have my hygiene kit with deodorant, floss, glasses wipe, and toilet paper. Instant coffee. Nasty taster's choice. A inflatable pillow from Stealth Angel. Let's see. Do have my camping cookware set. 2 sets of forks, knives, and spoons, along with some collapsible cups. And these are 2 plates in here. I've got some flint match little tinder, the tinder kit. Got a rain poncho, a lighter, got some freeze-dried food. See if now I can get this set up. I'm going to be using that 12-volt air inflator to inflate the air mattress here. I think I'll cut that out till it's done. Okay, I got the pillow and air mattress filled up. I'll be putting my head right here with the pillow that has a nice little velvety touch to it. And my feet will be going down there. I am bringing the camping backpack just in case I need anything, emergency radio, or I even want to make food. There's my sleeping bag I'm going to set up now, and more importantly, a poop bucket. Don't worry, those are only dirty paper towels for me wiping out the back of the Jeep. Okay, the sleeping bag's all in with the air mattress and the pillow. Just got to throw in the poop container. That is my emergency stuff that always stays in the Jeep. I do have emergency toilet paper, a gallon of water, and lots of other stuff in case I ever get stuck somewhere without a backpack like I have now. Does have a little food. Anyway, the Jeep tailgate does not open from the inside, so I will be entering and exiting from the passenger side door, which I've tested out and I can get in. Not easy, but I can, because the seats move forward there. You can maybe see. All right, so that was pretty easy. Well, I will be using this gallon of water to drink out of that weekend because it's been in there a while. I want to use it and I'll restock. The other thing is I might bring a snack bar or two or some nuts just in case I get hungry, but I'll be pulling into camp at like 7:30 after the event, and then probably just watch a little video if I can on YouTube and call it in tonight. So that's about it. It's that simple to go out camping for a night. I also do have, of course, a shovel inside if needed. That can always be used for number 2 or digging yourself out if you get stuck. But thanks for watching. Please smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you'd like to get alerts anytime I do post a new video. And from Ninja and I, who's inside because it is a little windy and it's about 64 degrees Fahrenheit, not bad. And thanks for joining me. Be positive, be nice, be active.